right, GBMC, this is the video to find the winner of mini number 1 for the Favre full-size chrome with inscription. This is for 2 spots in the main, so whoever is on top after the final roll will win 2 spots. So we'll check the time, November 24th at 7:14 p.m. We're going to go over to the mini and type live, and we have November 24th at 7:14 p.m. There's the list of our 20 entries. We're just going to, like I said, we're going to randomize, and then whoever is on top after the final roll wins 2 spots in the main. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 9. All right, 9 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Mark, spot 3. So, Mark, you will get your choice of 2 spots in the main. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, November 24th, 7:14 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.